Hi everybody, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to check out some happy mail that I got from my friend Julie. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. So I got this sweet package from my friend Julie, the Wippy Chick. I'm going to link her channel up above, and I'm just so excited to share with you. I haven't really looked at, well, I've cut it open, so I've seen the top thing, but I haven't seen what's underneath, so I don't know what I'm getting completely, but I wanted to make sure I shared it with you because we all love to share our excitement, right? Hey, if you like this kind of content, and when I say this kind of content, I mean things like yarn, crochet tools, all that kind of stuff, then go ahead and go down below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. But now, let's get on with the happy meal. First things first, I got a little card, which I always love getting cards. So let me take a look at it, and it's nice and bright. Look at that, that says Julie all over it, nice and bright. I love it. Oh, and I love it. Hi Melly, hope you're having an awesome day. Love, Jules. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so first, ooh, oh my gosh, this is so soft, Julie. So this is a 6 weight. I would have put it at a 5 weight before a 6 weight, but it says it's a 6 weight. So my face is in the way, so it's not going to focus. Let's see if you can see that. Okay, so that's telling you it's a 6 weight. I feel like it's more of a 5 weight, but it does recommend, which I'll show that to you in a minute. So I've got it in squishy red, and I've got it in, oh wait, this is still squishy, but this is a 4 weight, I think. Yes, this is a 4 weight, which is nice, and a nice pretty purple. I love it. I think I need to make a messy bun hat with this. What do you think? Actually, with both of them, maybe, I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, look at that. I love this yarn. This is so, and then this is an amazing price that you got on these. So, and I think she did a video, I'm gonna link it up here, but she did a video where she found this yarn, and that's a great price. So this skein here, this one, the worsted weight, the 4 weight one, is $1.99. And the specs on it are, it's 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and it has 216 yards or 198 meters, and it's 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. It is machine wash, dry, gentle. They recommend a 5mm knitting needle and a 6mm crochet hook. And this colorway is called Misty Purple, and the brand is Sprightly. So this is going to be really warm because of that wool in it, and you know it is a little bit rougher than a straight up acrylic, but it doesn't feel woolly, which I really like that. It doesn't feel woolly at all. So nice and super duper squishy. Love. And the specs on this beautiful red, which this would make an amazing Santa hat, don't you think? Anyway, this beautiful red is, and this one was also $1.99, which is a great deal for this. Like when my Charisma goes on sale, the Charisma, that's the yarn, the chunky yarn that I love, goes on sale. When I really stock up on it is when it goes $1.99 or below, and this is comparable, especially with how soft it is. So the yardage is 109 yards, and it is 100 meters or 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. It is machine wash and dry gentle. It is 100% acrylic, which I can tell the difference. I can tell that's acrylic. And it recommends an 8mm knitting needle or a 9mm hook. made in Turkey, which this one is, let's see if that, yep, this one's also made in Turkey, the purple was. And it is called Crimson. And this is also sprightly, or is it sprightly? Yep, sprightly. So this is some gorgeous yarn. I want to say thank you so much, Julie. I really appreciate it, but look at how pretty this is. I love it. So thank you. And I'm gonna have to see what I end up making with this. In any case, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to go down below and hit that like button. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. And I want to say again, thank you so much for joining me today. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye. So pretty yarn, pretty yarn, and a pretty yarn. Yay! Yay! Happy card.